Hello, my name is Luke Ezevich, and I'm a graduate STEM communication designer with the Writing Center. The recommendations section of a research paper serves as a crucial component for translating research findings into actionable insights and guidance for future directions. The recommendations section is usually located at the end of a paper, typically after the conclusion section. The recommendations may also be included in a discussion section where applicable. To better illustrate this concept, I will use the example of a research project focusing on new carbon capture and sequestration techniques. There are 5 distinct types of recommendations: future research directions, practical applications, collaboration opportunities, educational outreach, and policy implications. Recommendations in research papers should outline potential avenues for future investigation and exploration based on the study's findings. You should identify gaps in existing knowledge or unanswered questions that warrant further investigation. For instance, you could note that the future research in carbon capture and sequestration should focus on developing novel sorbent materials with enhanced CO2 capture capacities and improved stability under real-world conditions. Investigating the potential synergies between CCS and renewable energy technologies could also be explored. Quite often, scientific and engineering research yields unique findings with practical implications across many different industries and sectors. Any practical application recommendations resulting from your work should highlight the significant potential and applications of the research outcomes in real-world settings. You could discuss how your findings can inform technological innovations or solutions to pressing societal challenges. You might write that the implementation of CCS technologies in industrial facilities such as power plants and cement factories offers a practical solution for reducing greenhouse gas emissions. Interdisciplinary collaboration is an integral aspect of advancing scientific knowledge and addressing complex scientific challenges. It is important for other scholars in different STEM-related fields who may use parts of your research in their work to understand the results in the context of their field. You should identify opportunities for collaboration with other researchers, institutions, or industry partners. As an example, you can mention how collaboration between academia, industry, and governmental agencies is essential for overcoming technological and regulatory barriers to CCS development. You could also discuss how establishing public-private partnerships and knowledge-sharing platforms can facilitate technology transfer, risk sharing, and policy alignment across stakeholders. A recommendation section in a research paper can also recommend strategies for educational outreach and knowledge dissemination. Here, you could discuss ways for others to integrate their findings into educational curricula, workshops, or outreach programs to engage students, educators, and the general public with your topic. To give an example, you can write about how educational outreach programs can raise awareness of CCS technologies and their role in mitigating climate change. Quite often, research will inform policy developments and decision-making processes in various sectors, including healthcare, environmental conservation, and technology regulation. The recommendations section should discuss potential policy implications arising from your research findings. You can highlight how policymakers can use the research outcomes to inform evidence-based policies, regulations, and interventions. For instance, it would be good to discuss how policymakers should enact supportive policies and regulations to create favorable investment environments for CCS technology and development. The recommendations section of a research paper or journal article plays an essential role in translating research findings into specific and actionable recommendations that both advance scientific knowledge and promote societal impact. By outlining future research directions, practical applications, collaboration opportunities, educational outreach strategies, and policy implications, researchers can contribute to the broader scientific community and address pressing challenges facing society.